Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly clean up these fuel wheels because they're neglected, there's dirty, there's grime on it, and this nubby tire needs to be cleaned because dirty tires are a no-go here in Gardena or at Detail Garage Los Angeles or at Chemical Guys. So, before anything, we're gonna start off by rinsing off the wheel lightly. What this is going to do is just going to knock off any loose grime and debris that may be sitting on the surface of the vehicle, because you need to think about it. Grime and debris are abrasives that can potentially scratch up the finish of the wheel. So the product that I'll be using is going to be Diablo Wheel Gel. Diablo Wheel Gel is a pH balance neutral gel that is going to break down any grime and debris. You guys might say, Henry, you rinsed it off, the wheel looks good. But if I run my finger through it, you guys can see it's clean right there now because I rubbed my finger, but do not do that. This is just for demonstration purposes. But like I said, Diablo Wheel Gel is safe for all types of wheels. So I'll apply 2 ounces in my bucket and I'll activate it using some pressure. Diablo Wheel Gel produces very thick and sudsy, slick suds. And in my secondary Ducky spray foam, I already have it diluted 3:1. That's right, dilute Diablo Wheel Gel 3:1 because it is very concentrated. So now I'll spray down the face of the wheel. And you guys can see how foamy it is. And this Ducky foam causes it to foam. So whenever you pick up Diablo Wheel Gel, I recommend picking up the Ducky foam as well, just so it can foam up when you use it. So after you spray it on there, you'll go ahead and grab your brush. In this occasion, I'll be using the Show Car Easy Reach brush, and I'll go to the back of the barrel and just start scrubbing it out. So just go back and just agitate the grime. And come back in here and just clean it up. So that brush is done. Now it is time to clean the intricate details, such as in here with the boar's hair brush. Just come in here and just clean it up. And remember guys, if you guys need a little bit more product, just add a little bit more product. Feel free, don't be stingy with it because wheels can be expensive, especially if they're aftermarket or even stock wheels. So just clean it up. And I'm leaving the easy reach areas for last because that's the easiest part to clean. So I already cleaned that. Now it is time to clean the face and the front of the barrel. So I'll start from the top. And you guys can see, I always start from the top because I do not want to do a D-gag. Don't go against gravity. Always work smarter, not harder. Because if you don't do a D-gag, you're gonna be cleaning your wheels twice without even thinking about it. For example, if I start cleaning down here and then I go up here, all that grime is gonna run down here and I have to re-clean that area. So clean up this area now. And it is a very sunny day here in California. So it's a beautiful air, beautiful sun. So it's a beautiful day to clean up wheels. And now it's time to degrease the tires, but before that, I need a little bit more water just because my tire did dry out. So just spray down water. And now I'll be using alkaline. So alkaline plus is a citrus-based all-purpose cleaner that's gonna reduce the amount of grime, debris from the tire, pull it off. So whenever I apply a dressing onto it, it's going to bond perfectly and it will not fail over time. Just spray it on here. And you guys can see, alkaline is this lime green citrus-based product, but you guys can see it just starts running out and it starts turning brown. That's all that old dressing that has been sitting on the tire that needs to be removed so we can apply a new tire and it can look freshly detailed. Spray some alkaline onto my stiffy brush and now come and just scrub it out. You guys can see how brown the tire actually is, how dirty. And we need to remove all that. So when applying a dressing, like I said, it bonds perfectly. Let me just move my bucket, just scrub it down here. And now it is time to rinse it off. So now that it is rinsed off completely, let me just get a little bit more water because there's still some on here. Make sure to comment down below. Let us know what type of wheel products you use on your types of wheels. So I just finished rinsing it off, and now I have my blue workhorse towel, and I'll just dry up the wheel. And let us know what type of videos you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see some crazy montages? Do you guys want to see more of a vlog, a day in the detail garage? Feel free to comment down below. Let us know. We do listen to your comments. We read every single comment. If you do not get a response, I'm sorry, because we get tons of comments a day, and it is pretty difficult, but we try to get back to everyone as soon as possible. So we are working with deionized water, so I knocked off a little bit water from the face of the wheel. I'll just let it dry on there. It's not going to cause water spots. Now we'll move on to the tire, just so I won't have you guys waiting when I apply the tire shine. So I'll get another new workhorse microfiber towel, and I'll just dry it just to remove any old dressings or alkaline from the surface of the nubby tire. Make sure it's completely dry before applying any types of dressing on here. All right, so checking the tire. It's clean, guys. Now it's time to apply the tire dressing. But it can be pretty difficult when you're working with very nubby tires, especially if you're working with VRP and using an applicator. It could be very difficult when applying it into low nubs. So that's why I'm going with the aerosol, which is nice and wet. Nice and wet. All you need to do is pop off the cap, shake it up, and just mist it all over the tire. And this is going to ensure you get all over the tire. The great thing about this product is that you can actually control the level of shine. If you like a burning wet max shine, spray it on, then give it one quick wipe to remove the excess. If you love an OEM shine, spend a little bit more time buffing it off to get the perfect look. So now, a little bit more right there. I like more of a moderate OEM shine, so I'll get a microfiber towel. It could be clean, dirty, it doesn't matter because it's just tire dressing, you're just removing it. But I'll be using the clean side of this microfiber towel and just buff off any residue. And now I know that this tire is freshly rejuvenated and is shiny. So when it dries off, the tire shine won't splatter because there's no overspray, there's none sitting on the tire, and it's dry to a touch. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, comment down below, let us know what type of future video you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chem Detail Garage.